Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S8 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left corner button to open camera settings, and now we have to slide a little bit down to useful features category. Here at the fourth place we have location tags option with short info from the device that this can add tags to your pictures and videos so you can see where they were taken. By using the button from the right, we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. As you can see, when we turn it on, we have also short info, so we have to be careful when we share our location to the public. Now let's agree to that, and also I can add here that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, let's go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. To check its location, we have to simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we have more details with the location and the map with full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.